This is a sneak peek of QuickBooks Connect. Enjoy! Got to work on developing your why. What work do you love? What is most valuable to others? Because you have to combine those two. Your purpose, which is what others value in you, and your passion, what you value in yourself. My why came from kind of being overworked, undervalued, stressed, very go, constant emergencies. I got into owning my own CPA firm for better customer service. And I now actually have the time to really deep dive into reviewing every single return of my clients versus rushing through them. So how did this come about? Well, I started my CPA firm at age 27, and it grew very quickly. At the same time, I consulted for a competing tax software company. I would go train accounting firms across the nation on tax paperless best practices. My firm grew so quickly, I had to give up doing that. We were paperless from the start. The last thing I wanted was staff. I didn't know how to manage staff. I ended up with a remote team of 4 now. The top amount of people I had was 8, and that was insane last year. But my hardest year ever was 2014, when my daughter was born, my first child. I took 0 time off. I was doing like 3 different people's jobs, and I did not want to repeat that when I got pregnant with my second child. So 4 months pregnant, back in post April 15th of 2016, I was doing a one-on-one session with my business coach, Chuck Bauer. He's in Dallas, and he'll actually be at QuickBooks Connect as well. I highly recommend that you talk to him. But I was, complaining to him about not feeling fulfilled, being tired of the work and stress. And, my son's due date was creeping up on me in December, and I didn't quite know what I was going to do or change to make things better. And he asked me a couple of very basic questions that helped me explore this idea of where I wanted my firm to go. And the first one was, what is it that you love doing? And the second was, who do you love working with? And that's what came about with our tax planning packages. Now, why did we switch to value pricing over hourly? Well, you've probably seen about 100 presentations on why to value price. And so I won't spend too much time on this, but you do need to realize the horrible realization of hourly work. And Ron Baker says it's best. Only so many hours exist in the day for you to work. It's a constraint, not a value. It's not even a cost. It penalizes technological advances, which is tough. Being at a QuickBooks conference, you see all of these cool things we're going to be able to get more efficient at and do less of in QuickBooks and PTO and that kind of thing, but it's going to lessen your revenue if you bill hourly. And value billing really frees up your time and energy. And what I love is also that clients aren't scared to talk to you. End of excerpt. Hope to see you at QuickBooks Connect Thursday, 2:50 p.m. Thanks so much.